Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, and in this video we're going to be reviewing some new headphones. The headphones I have to unbox and review today are by SoundPeats. I have reviewed this brand before. This is a different style than what I've seen before. It's called the Pop Clip. These just released in March of 2025. So if you are interested in a new set of headphones with a different style to them, I would say check these out. But before I make my recommendation, let's unbox, test them, and I'll give you my final thoughts. So what we have here is just your standard box. On the back, I'll read off some of the specs. It is Bluetooth version 5.4, has a frequency response range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Maximum working distance is 10 meters. Playtime is about 8 hours, up to 30 hours when you're using the charging case to stick them back in there. Let's get to unboxing this thing and see what is inside. Do be aware when you take out the packaged headphones, behind there is going to be the USB cable. Just a short guy like so. And it charges just through USB-C. This is a very common charger nowadays, so if you don't have one already, it does come with one. Take a look at the headphones here. Comes in this solid black case, charging port on the back. LED light in the front here. Let's open this up. I had them upside down, but they're all magnetic in there. We have the right bud and left earbud, obviously. Charges just through the pins on the bottom of the case. The LED light indicates whether they are charged or need to be charged. And as far as these go, they just clip on the end of your ear. They're not your standard earbud that goes inside. So I'm curious to see how this works out. I am looking for the L and the R indicator. It doesn't appear to have that on these earbuds. So perhaps they are universal to whatever ear you want to put them on. So I do notice there is the holes on the rounded part here. That's most likely going to be where the audio comes out of. Let's go ahead and just see if we can get these connected here. I think this is right, but like I said, I have never seen headphones like this before. So I believe that is how they sit, just right in your ears like so, across the middle. Seems comfy enough. I'll go ahead and connect it to my Bluetooth device, which is going to be my Nintendo Switch today. And without even doing anything to the earbuds themselves, I went to the Nintendo Switch settings and I did look for Bluetooth devices. It does find it, the SoundPeats POP Clip. I'm going to select that. I hear immediately that it's connected. I'm clicking through the buttons, hearing the clicks in my earpiece. I'm gonna boot up Stardew Valley. The music is very vibrant. I can still hear outside noises and everything, but as far as the audio goes, it's almost like it's playing inside my head, as weird as that sounds. It sounds great so far. I'm just waiting for the game to load up the rest of the way, but title screen, it played clear as day, no interference or anything like that. So just doing a little game session here. Got the audio nice and clear. Bump that up to full volume. And I hear the loud bass tones in it. I feel like I'm probably talking a little bit louder than I was before, and the outside noise around me is definitely getting drowned out with the higher volumes. But it's pretty crazy just playing this game hearing my character walk around. I hear the brushes of the leaves I'm stepping on, the wind blowing. It's crystal clear. Like, I'm actually amazed with how well this sounds. Some of these sound effects are a little too loud, so I'm gonna quiet it down a little bit. But yeah, every little thump in this game when I'm hitting an axe against a tree or anything like that, you hear the bass thump in your head. It's quite surreal. There is a press button on the inside of the earbud that decreases the volume when you click it down. I find it a little bit easier to control the volume from the device I'm using rather than the click buttons on the earbuds. Just my personal preference. I don't know how you guys like to control your earbuds, but I like having a physical button on the device I'm using. If it is in your pocket, then obviously you'll probably want to adjust it from the earbud itself. But there is also options on the earbuds to do like a long press, and you can skip the track. Obviously I can't test that with the Nintendo Switch because I'm just playing a game. But overall, I mean, these headphones are great. They're very comfortable despite them being, you know, clipped on your ear. They kind of remind me of, you know, those old clip-on earrings that people would wear. And speaking of earrings, these are probably going to do well for those that do have pierced ears. As far as these go, they seem to be comfortable. They sit secure. I can shake my head around and they're not moving. The audio quality is excellent. I do recommend these headphones. It's a different style, but it's pretty nice. Can't say any more good things about these. Do highly recommend. If you want to pick some up for yourself, I have them linked in the description below, so check that out. If you guys like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.